Hello everyone, I hope everybody is fine. Today I'm gonna discuss question and answer with you guys. So make sure you watch this video till the end. What question answers I already have mentioned in my previous videos. So there are the 80 questions which recently have been asked. I'll go 5 questions today we will discuss, and I will discuss every day 5 questions on each video. Make sure you watch and just make sure you click on the bell icon so you will have all the latest update. And if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe it. When assessment plan you receive, or when you have any test coming up, mainly question they ask you on your assessment plan. So make sure you have to be very confident with your assessment plan, what your assessors send it to you before the test. 5 questions are there. The first question is, what is your position here? Position means, are you working as a commis chef, head chef, chef de partie, sous chef, CDC, chef de cuisine, executive chef? What position you are holding on that kitchen, that you have to explain to assessor. Second question is, what time did you start your shift, and when are you going to finish your shift, and do you go home to break time, for how long you take break? So in one question they have asked 4 questions, right? What time do you start? So it is your answer that what time do you start your shift and what time you finish your shift, that you should know. So normally in Australian standard the shift is 8 hours. You're supposed to work 7.5 hours and 30 minutes break time is there. If your house is close to your house, you can go for break, but if your house is not close to your work, then you can say I take break here, or I sit at the outside backyard, anywhere I go out and just wander around. So that is totally your choice, the way you want to answer. That was the second question. The third question is, where did you finish your training? So this means usually there is a 360 hours work-based training, which is during your cert 3 cert 4 when you complete those trainings. So they ask you, where did you complete your trainings, or where did you complete your 360 hours? You should know the name of those organizations, name of the college, name of the kitchen, name of the assessor, or name of the trainer, which location it was located. So everything you should know. They can ask you this question. And they can also even ask you, when did you come to Australia, when did you start study, when was your first day of college, and which year did you finish, when did you start working here? So they can also ask you. So just keep that in mind. And the fourth question is, in which section you are working and why do you choose that section? Particularly if you say pan section, tandoor section, fryer section, oven section, or boiler section, or pasta section, any XYZ section according to your organization you have to explain that I work on that section. Why do you work on that section? You can tell your expertise that I have learned this one and feel very confident with my food, with my flavor, with my tasks, because I know each and everything about this. If you're making steaks, if you're working on a grill, if you are making steaks on grill, if you're working on a fryer, if you're working on a pan. So according to your knowledge or your confidence, you can tell your answer. And the last question in this, how do you receive deliveries of dry goods, right? This is a question I have already posted the videos in my channel. So the first is, how do you order deliveries? Second one is, how do you receive deliveries? Third one is, any discrepancy in the delivery, how do you handle that? And fourth one is, how do you stack deliveries in the cool room? So these questions I already have posted on my videos. If still you don't know how to receive the dry goods deliveries, so you can say is, when we receive the deliveries, we make sure that all the dry goods has to be packaged, labeled, expiry date on it, and make sure that no tear, wear, no damage to the any packaging. And we will also check the labels, and we will make sure the right product we have it, and we will also check they are on the normal room temperature when we receive specially dry goods. So they especially you get tinned, packaged, and dry spices, all you get in a dry store. So dry store temperature, you can say 15 to 20, you can say 15 to 16, you can say 12 to 20, you can say 10 to 15. Different people have different types of room temperature ideas, but the best you can say 10 to 15 according to your cookery book. You can say 10 to 15% room temperature when you receive your dry spices. So this video all about the 5 questions we have discussed. So every day I will discuss from this latest question book, or the student has sent it to me. Every day 5 questions I'll make the videos and I'll answer those 5 questions. So keep in touch. If you haven't subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, write in a comment and I'll happy to answer. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.